We out here on the home garden build out, lining up the lines for the fence. This is a mock-up design of a possible fence concept. We're also getting the beds ready. We'll be lining up all these beds today and building them. They should be about 16 inches deep, cedar posts. We had a little bit of flood in here today, so we sprinkled some lime powder there, hold the water out. These lines across here are to line up the bed and line up the fencing. And then there's some stakes in the ground here that you can see, and these are for the possible placement of 2 peach trees. There'll be a plum and an apple against that fence over there. And this is what's happening. The beginning of a great project. Project's still happening, making progress, planting trees in the back, peach trees in the back. As we talked about, the bottom of the beds are getting put into place, everything being built on a level surface. We got all of our lines, getting ready to line everything up, square it up. The bell of Georgia is in the ground, second peach is in place. We got real good things happening.
What I feel inside, don't let nobody. Can I put this on?
Yep.
All right, so take a look. This is the next step. The beds are built. We doubled the height on them based on the owner's request. Everything is level. So where you see the gaps under the bottom, we'll be filling all that with topsoil around it. Landscaping fabric will come in between all of these pathways. There'll be an arbor here in the middle, some fabric beds, and a seating area. 2 deep beds and 1 long bed here at the end. That's a 4x20. Outside of the garden are the peach trees. On the other side is an apple and a plum. This is what it's looking like before we put the sand and the pea gravel down. We'll be filling the beds with planting mix next week. This is what it is, y'all. Look at that. Precision is important. Grow where you are. This is half of the pile. Half of our first pile of compost. Filling beds. Take a look. We started with the back bed since it's so large. We began filling it. Also getting prepped for the irrigation team to come through and put the irrigation in. So now we have these 3 beds. What we're doing is laying in the first layer, about 2/3 or 3/4 of the way full. Then we're gonna dust it with inputs and inoculants that will make it stronger and more active and liven it up. Let it set after the rain, and then we'll top these beds off real thick when we get our second pile. First pile going in the beds. Grow where you are.